Hello everybody, very short briefing. We have a laptop this time for fix, customer laptop, no more disassembly. I don't know nothing about, just customer description. So if I remember, the description of the problem is like this. Laptop is working for a while, I don't know, minutes, hours, days, I forgot, and maybe I didn't ask, and shut down. I buy a new battery, I feed the new battery, and after that the laptop died. That's all I know. And I said to the customers to send the old battery and the charger. So we have everything here. Let's see first what model is. It's Toshiba Satellite C855 29L. Alright, so let's try first to fix. I put myself on your shoes to fix these laptops without any tools and any skills, electronic skills, only with the screwdriver. We try. Maybe the laptop is not in this stage, so we need the knowledge, but let's try first this method. We need the lights, more lights. First, I will use my power supply, but I try to cover. I show you. So I use my power supply. I set up on 19. Toshiba have a 19. And because you don't have this tool, once again I speak with people from other activity than laptop fix and stuff like that. I cover because for me this power supply is speaking with me, so I can diagnostic a laptop more or less looking at the current amperage. So I cover the power source. Back to our laptop. I have Toshiba here. Plug. Let's plug on. And for the first time I open. And the laptop, it's on. And it's working fine. And the battery is charging. I hope you can see that. Do you see this? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. So, what's the problem? And I told you in a minute what's the problem. because I don't think my client just pick without on any reason. So the only left is the adapter, the charger. Maybe the charger is the problem. It's the original Toshiba charger. Okay, let's see what's happened with the original charger. And to check the charger without tools, it's better to disconnect first the battery. And try to start the laptop only on adapter, on a charger. And nothing happens. So guys, what we learned from this video is not like what I expected, but guys, start with the beginning. Always with the beginning. And the beginning on your laptop is the charge. Step by step. Start to check the charger. If you don't have a charger, try to find a friend or somebody who have the same brand with the same plug and check. Or try to find a friend now we can use, because we know we are already diagnostic the laptop. So I finished the job. Now we can use the tool. If you don't find a friend with friend or neighbor or whatever with the same brand, same charger to can check, find a friend who have a multimeter. Put on the voltage, plug the charger, and check the voltage. This one is 0. That not means the charger is broke. No, don't stop here. If you still have that multimeter, unplug the charger, detect the fuse and check. Go in continuity mode or beeping mode and check the fuse. The fuse is good. Fuse is good. I plug again the charger. Check the cable. Maybe you can inspect visual the cable. Maybe you you find something. No. Now in this stage maybe yes, the charger is dead. And even me, I don't try to fix it. This can be cheap and it's better to replace the charger. Guys, was easy, more easy than I expect. To be honest, I was expect to open the laptop, to disconnect stuff and show you how to disconnect and how to check without tools. But first step, and it's already fixed. Sorry about that. But maybe we are lucky with some interesting problem on the next one. Have a good day. Don't forget, check step by step, but start with the beginning, and the beginning is the charger. Bye. Sorry, I say bye, but I'm back. I want to teach you something. What mistake made this client? Let's say, no, I need to explain something. It's a client, but it's a friend of mine, so I don't charge nothing for that. But let's presume this guy is going to computer shop. Do you think they don't charge this? They charge for diagnostic, and you can do it very easy at home to find the problem. This is the reason I do these videos, to teach you to try to fix yourself. And always the simple things are the first thing to check. Yeah, that's what I want to tell you, and I start again to record. Try to avoid much you can to go to computer fix. Of course, if you have money, you don't have nothing to do with the money, they need to survive as well. But it's a business. I understand the guys. They waste time. Time is money. Their technician have a salary, so their technician need to be paid. In some countries, the salary is for an hour, and with this laptop maybe spend 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, depends. So I don't blame because they charge. Of course, they need to charge. But I try to teach you to avoid this. It's very early in the morning. I hope you understand what I want to say. Now it's for real. I stop the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.